Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's see how to reset your Kraken password in 2025. Let me show this to you guys. It's going to be a quick one, so let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to go to Kraken's login page. So go on to Kraken's website and to the login page, and then you're going to click on the forgot password link. So you see the forgot password there. Click on that, and it's going to take you to where you're going to enter your email address. So once you're there, just enter your email address that's associated with your Kraken account, and then you're going to click on the reset password button. So once you click on that, it's going to send a reset password to your email address. So all you got to do is just check your email for the password reset link that's been sent by Kraken. And once you click on the password reset link, it's going to take you back to the website where you're going to need to enter a new password for your Kraken account. So just enter the new password for your Kraken account and confirm your new password by re-entering it in the confirmation field a second time. And then you're going to click on the reset password button to complete the password reset process. And from there, you can just log into your Kraken account using your new password. That's pretty much it on how to reset your Kraken password in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.